welcome back to the Sophia and Nadia sneaker reviewing show. I'm Sophia and I'm 7 years old. And this is my little sister, Nadia, and she's 4. Yeah, she's tired. So 2 years ago you saw her. She was a little 2-year-old. Right, Nadia? You're a little 2-year-old? We're going to talk about these sneakers that we got from Miss Annie at Concepts. These ones are the Air Jordan 1 Bloodline.
Why does it start with the blood?
Because the red looks like blood. Nadia, what sneakers are these?
The LeBron James. The LeBron James Air Force 1.
Good job. So Nadia, let me say, what do you like about these sneakers? Can you write on them?
Yes.
Papa, these chairs are too small. We can't fit in them. I'm wearing the Air Force 1 80s, and they're made in 2003, and they're a sample.
I am wearing the base salsa.
So, what do you want to be when you grow up, then?
An artist.
Well, are you more than an artist? I want to be... Honestly, I'm not sure. And thanks for checking out our show. Thank you to Miss Annie at Concepts.